welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Happy Friday, yay! I'm excited. I have quite a few boxes to do today, and I apologize for any excessive uploading, but I do need to get rolling with some of these. I have not felt the best last couple of days with the cold weather snap and my RA, so I am a little bit behind, but we're going to get to it today. As you can see, this video we are unboxing the March 2019 Target Beauty Box. I love the Target Beauty Box because it's not a subscription. You go in every month. It's usually the first or second Monday of the month. They will go live on their website. Sometimes they do sell out really fast. I do feel like they have gotten a little bit better with not having them sell out. They're having more in stock. And I do also love, you can see what you're going to get in the box. The boxes are $7, and sometimes there are two every month or each month. This month there was only one. So let's take a look in here. I love the green theme for March. I am wearing green because, again, it's March. So let's see. It always comes with a little card, and on the back there is always a coupon for $3 off a beauty purchase of 15 or more. And then they do always tell you about the products, and what I like too is they don't just tell you about the products, they tell you some tips and tricks about the products, which is always fun, especially if it's a new product to you. So we will put that to the side and reference when we need to. But let's take a look. We will peel back the tissue paper and we can see all of the items here. If I remember correctly, this is a pretty hair care heavy box, but I'm okay with that because I don't mind getting hair care, especially when they send shampoo and conditioner, you know, samples, and they're usually good size samples. We're not talking foil packets and things like that. So sometimes I don't even have to go buy shampoo anymore because of the Target boxes and things like that. So let's just dive right in. The first thing I'm seeing is a shampoo and conditioner. This is the Love Beauty and Planet, which I have fallen in love with this brand because of Target Beauty Boxes. And it is the shampoo and conditioner Smooth and Serene with argan oil and lavender. So here we have, and they are both 3 fluid ounces. And I love that Target has started putting this like security tape so nothing leaks. Let's see what it says about these. Love Beauty and Planet Smooth and Serene Argan Oil and Lavender Shampoo. Rich blend of golden argan oil and French lavender. Leaves locks smelling fresh and helps keep strands fizz free. This is one of their hints, tips, tricks. Before shampooing, soak hair with lukewarm water, which will help open pores for a better wash. And then the Smooth and Serene Argan Oil and Lavender Conditioner, anti-frizz formula infused with golden argan oil and French lavender, smooths strands and nourishes hair for healthy looking locks. So yay, definitely give it a try. Usually not a big fan of lavender, but I'll still try it and see what it does, especially if we're talking anti-frizz, because here in North Carolina in the spring and in the summer, frizz is not my friend. So let's see. Then we have here, let me take the tape off. Again, they did tape this item. This is from Bliss, which is another brand that I have grown to really enjoy through Target Beauty Boxes. And this is their Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Foaming Cleanser for Sensitive Skin. It's really pretty. The packaging is really, really pretty. And rose water extract acts as a natural astringent, gently removing oil and grime, while rose gold shimmer gives skin a subtle glow. And then it says, psst, no parabens or sulfates, and it's cruelty free. So yay for this little guy. I'm so happy to try this. And as a, face wash, you'll get quite a few uses out of this. It is 1 fluid ounce, so I'm definitely happy with that. Let's see what it smells like, because usually I'm not a fan of rose scented items either, but that actually smells good. It doesn't really have like a strong rose smell. And you know what I forgot to do, you guys? Read the front of the card. So we'll go ahead and do that really quick. March into spring. How clever. If you spent your winter hibernating and sipping hot cocoa, you're not alone. No shame in our game. But now that the days are getting longer and the weather's getting warmer, it's time to get glowing stat. To the rescue, our box of beauty finds that'll help you march into spring more radiant than ever. Well, I'd love to be radiant. So, all right, moving right along before I get silly. Been getting silly a lot lately. That's okay though. Here we have from Shea Moisture, Matcha Green Tea and Probiotics Soothing Toner and Hydrating Mist. Antioxidants and matcha green tea help hydrate and soothe redness, while nourishing probiotics restore balance to the skin and fight future flare-ups. Here's a trick. For an extra boost of hydration, spritz onto skin before applying daily moisturizer. Okay, so I totally thought this was like something for your hair, but this is actually for your face. Yay! And it says with milk thistle. Soothing toner and hydrating mist. And this is like a great size to put in your purse to keep on the go and just let's see if I can smell it. I don't really smell too much, but I love, you see, can you guys see that it's like this, like it's not like a dead stream. It really would mist the face very nicely. So I am super happy with that. We have two more products. We have, and I just said they don't send foil packets, but okay, now I understand. Okay, this is a foil packet. This is from Tresemme. This is Botanique Color Vibrant Sunshine Intensive Mask with pomegranate and camellia oil. And let's see what it says. Botanical blend of pomegranate and camellia oil gives strands a surge of intense hydration, leaving locks soft. Apply a generous amount from mid shaft to ends. Leave on hair for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Use once a week or as needed. Now, this may be a foil packet, but it is still 1.5 ounces. So this is 1 ounce. So it's 1.5. There's a good amount in here. With my hair being, you know, a little past my shoulders, I definitely would get 2, possibly 3 uses out of this. So I am actually very happy to try this. I love hair masks, especially once you don't have to leave on for a very long time. So I'm super happy with this guy. And then our final product, and this is a good size. This is a really good size. This is 3.4 ounces. This is the Shea Moisture, so the same as the facial spray. The silicone-free Miracle Style Leave-In Treatment. Innovative blend of sugarcane and nourishing botanicals leave tresses tangle-free, so strands are manageable and luxurious. Yes, please. It says with marshmallow root. What is marshmallow? What's marshmallow root? You don't grow marshmallows. Sorry. Made with fair trade shea butter. This is for all hair types. No sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, animal testing, petroleum, or propylene glycol. Awesome. And it's cute. The bottle is just cute. Okay. Oh, it smells good. It doesn't have a very strong smell, but it is a good smell. So I think the packaging is super cute too. So I'm super happy for that. So that was our Target beauty box for March 2019. So to recap, we got the Miracle Styler leave-in from Shea Moisture, which smells really nice. We got the hair treatment mask, and again, this is at least 2 to 3 uses from Tresemme. The Shea Moisture Soothing Toner and Hydrating Mist, which I'm very happy about. Like, I'm probably most excited about this, to be honest. The Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Face Wash. And then the Love Beauty and Planet Shampoo and Conditioner. So I think for $7, absolutely all day long. Very, very happy with it. So like I said, Target Beauty Box is available every month. You go to their website, you can sign up to get emails and be alerted when they are going to put them out, when they are available every month. And like I said, some months they do have 2 different boxes. This month there was only 1. And shipping is always super fast. So I got it in like 2 or 3 days. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you are new, I do hope you would consider hitting subscribe, and please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And as always, leave a comment down below. I love talking with you guys. I hope you all have a fabulous weekend, and I will talk with you soon. Bye.